Hey friends, if you need a Microsoft Word cheat sheet for shortcut keys, then please watch this video. I will guide you through it. And you know what? You can take a screenshot of all of these. So Control plus A to select the images, Control plus B to bold. I'll show you images, bold text, and then Control plus C to copy text, Control plus X to cut it. See what happens. Control plus V to paste it. Okay, Control plus Z to undo the last action, and Control plus Y to redo the last action. Control plus S to save the document, Control plus N to open a new document, and then Control plus O to open options, and then Control plus P to open the print version. Okay, so this will start loading for a while. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.